Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and make your featured photos on Facebook private. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. For that purpose, what we will do is, first of all, let's go ahead and open our Facebook over here. This will open this kind of interface here in your Facebook. For that purpose, let's go ahead and open our Facebook profile. If you scroll down, we will be able to this all of the featured photos over here in our profile. If you want to make them private, let's go ahead to first setting, go to this menu icon with your profile picture, go to the settings option and scroll down, go to this audience and visibility and tap on this stories option over here. And now simply go ahead, tap on this story privacy. This will open up who can see your story. Your story will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. This also includes for your featured photos, right? So we have a custom, you can also do that for yourself. So yes guys, this is the option. If it's in public, make sure you do that to the friends, so friends will be able to see. It's a hide story from this custom, and we have already chose a person. If you would like to hide somebody, you can go ahead, choose that from there, and you can basically hide people to make it private. So this is the option for you guys. And if you go back, let's go to this featured option that we have here in our profile. And if you would like to remove the first one, you can go ahead, tap on this three dot, and you can tap on this edit featured collection and choose another photo. For that purpose, that will hide the first one. This is the option, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching us. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.